Okay, now we're going to make bottle openers. So we're going to get our pieces together, and those include shells, graphics, Mylar, bottle opener backs, and split ring keychains. Okay, so we're going to start with the pickup die facing us. Put the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. Insert the graphic on top of the shell, and this, for bottle openers, it does matter that the graphic is upright and legible. And then you put the Mylar on top of the graphic, rotate the die table around, and then you'll insert the bottle opener sharp side up with the 2 holes at the top, and just like that. Then we'll pull the handle down, pull the handle back up, rotate the die table around, pull the handle a second time, take the bottle opener out of the button machine and insert the split ring.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.